Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, The Inspiring School Counselor. And today you guys, I am at my new school that I'm going to be at. And I just wanted to get up on here, you guys, show you guys around and just let you guys look at what I'm going to be working with. I have not moved any of my stuff in. All of this is from prior years and the school counselor that was here before me. But let me tell you guys, I absolutely just love the school counselor that was here before me. She has really put like small touches in the room to just, make me feel even more. I was already happy about being here, but even more like happy about being here. She actually made a bulletin board with different ones' faces that works here at the school, and she put their names by their faces. So that's going to definitely be a help for me, especially when I'm trying to learn everybody. I am like super excited. She left little notes around the room to kind of just help me to know where things are. So I definitely have to reach out to her and tell her how thankful I am. So currently I have a couch in my room. Y'all see this couch? So this actually used to be a library, and it's an older school as well. So when I show you guys around, you're going to see like a lot of bookshelves and things like that. Actually, when she told me that it used to be a library, I was thinking like, man, this was a small library. She ended up moving she first was in, I guess, the nurses area, and then she moved to this room. And so I love that it has a lot of good shelving because I can utilize that for different things. So I'm going to show you guys here. It's right now summer school is going on, so you guys might hear some noise in the background, but let me show you guys just what we're dealing with. This is what it looks like from the corner of the room. So it's a really good size office. So I was in this corner. So this is from this angle. And then I also have this room right here. So it's full of different things. So I cannot wait to just start moving things around. I'm not sure how long it's going to take me, but I'm going to definitely have you guys a part of that whole journey. So I'm looking around at some of the things that she has used thus far. She has the student self-referrals that she's used, and then these counseling referral forms. So that's pretty good that she has some copies of those. She has plenty of books, I see. I was actually going to buy these, and I'm glad that I don't have to buy them now. Because I was going to do like activities with the kids. I actually ended up buying like a island type of cart that's like portable like this. So I think I'm still going to bring that in and use that just because it keeps everything closed off for me. I'll show you guys later. But now I'm just going to think about what all I'm wanting to do as far as how I'm wanting to set the room up. I might do like a beach theme just because I'm originally from Florida, and I might just, when they come in my room, they can feel like they're on vacation, They can be calm. I might have like a little spa little thing set up, and I'll show you guys. Y'all definitely be a part of that journey. But I don't know. I'm trying to get my thoughts together still. I still do love, like, she has the couch here. I love the colors of this room. So I'm going to play on, of course, the colors that is already in here. But you guys, I just wanted to show y'all. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to get ready to actually leave. I'm not going to start moving things in, my things in, until maybe Friday. Thursday, I'll probably come to kind of clear this stuff, some of the stuff off the shelves, and put it in the closet. I'm not really sure, but y'all, I'm getting my thoughts together. I am up early this morning. I was actually contemplating whether I was going to go to summer camp to help out at my church, or if I was going to go to my job this morning and kind of just get the office and everything together. And so this morning I just felt like it was just best to get my office together. And so that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. I'm still at my house right now. I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that I am going to be going through this morning before I get to my job, because I want to be taking some stuff. I figured I'll take some stuff this morning, since I'm already going to be going there. So this is what it looks like in this room right now, you guys. So things are all over the place. I've made it back to my office. This is day 2. And today I just brought a lot of my things from home here. There are some things that I am going to buy because I just want to kind of put my twist on things in this room. And so, but I do have a lot of my things here. So I have that stuff that's on the couch there. And then I also have this cart that has some of my stuff on it as well. So currently right now, I'm going to be just probably moving things off the shelves. I'm going to keep this shelf the same. So this shelf is going to keep a lot of the books and stuff like that on it. This shelf over here, I am going to go through it and kind of get rid of some things. Not get rid of some things, but put it in that closet. All right, so let me get to work. While I'm in here, you guys gonna have to excuse the lighting. The lighting is not that great. It's not as bright in here, but I am going through my stuff right now, y'all. I guess you would kind of say that this is like the fun part because you get a chance to see what the counselors was using before and kind of see what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep, and everything like that. But y'all, I came across these little cassette tapes. Like, who uses cassette tapes anymore? Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. So this is a children's self-esteem. Of course, I am probably not going to use this because I don't own a cassette tape. I'm just going to figure out where I'm going to put it at. I wanted to show you what I've done thus far. And I'm still thinking, you guys, I just got finished sitting down for maybe about a good 5 minutes, just thinking like, how am I going to decorate this room? So I want to show you guys what I've done so far. It might seem like a little bit, but I tell you guys, like for me, like I'm already feeling hot and sweaty, but but I was able to move a lot of things. So everything that was on these shelves, I have cleared out. I put majority of it in this corner. I'm thinking about getting like a curtain to cover all of that, like something like that, but it's just gonna be longer and cover those. I'm still trying to think about that. But y'all, this is what I've done thus far. Next thing that I'm gonna do is more than likely just work on this area. I'm probably gonna move all the books and stuff from this area, put it over here, okay? So that's what I'm working on.